Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Somebody a couple of days ago wanted to know how to take this trim off. These Volvos that go across the roof line, doors and windows. All this stuff just pops right off. It's better if you start at the front, put something here so you don't crack your glass, pry that trim piece up until you undo the snap. So let me see if I can get that loose. You hear the snap pop. The problem is, I don't know if you can get this stuff off without breaking the clips. It's like this for almost every model. And just go across the top, put your rag or something there to stop it from breaking or scratching the car, and just work your way all the way back, popping those clips off until you get it all the way loose. So there you have it. That trim is off, and you got another piece here. Heck, I was able to pull that one up with my finger. You want to try not to break it. But I don't know if there's a certain way to do it without breaking. So you might have to get another clip from the dealer or somewhere to replace them. So when you get these, you just slide them down and pop them off. They got a little release tab in them. Slide them, get a little screwdriver, put it under that release tab, and take them off one at a time to replace them if they break. The roof trim on these S70s and 850s, just put your finger under them and pop them up. They're even easier than the other ones. Just try not to bend them as you get them off. But anyway, they come off just like that. If you bend them, it's hard to get them straight again. Just don't crease them. And the pieces in here, you bump them with a screwdriver, bump them up, and they come right out so that you can replace these things if you need to. Here's an S40. Other than that bolt being right there, this probably comes off the same way. Find the snaps, bust the snaps loose, and lift this trim off. All the way across the top. This 5 Series BMW the same way. Get something under there, pry it all the way across, and you got it off in your hand. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.